Welcome to the Portfolio platform. Today I'm going to show you how you can browse the strategies of some of the world's best traders and then link them to your portfolio. You are only a few easy steps away from connecting your portfolio to theirs and mirroring their trades exactly via our cutting-edge auto trade system. So here you can see our homepage, and as we scroll down you will come across the option to browse our strategies. If you click on here, you will come through to a page showcasing some of the best traders from all over the world. People trading their own books has become more and more common. Unfortunately, the rate of profitable ones hasn't. On average, around 76% of traders will lose money trading for themselves. Well, now you can join the 24%, and you barely have to lift a finger. To be on our website, traders have to prove themselves. We won't accept anyone without a track record that meets our requirements, and we only take the best. So let's take a look at a few. As I scroll down here, you can see a few of the traders on show. If something catches your eye, click on it, and you can see the strategy in more detail. So let's have a look here at the first one, the Canadian Profit Taker. As you can see, first thing that comes up is a month-by-month history of the trader's profit and loss. We won't pretend that all traders make a profit every month, but as you can see, over time, the results are fantastic. Below this, you can see these results on a chart measured against the return on the S&P index. None of the traders on our website have a record that is less than the S&P. So as you can see, they really are the best at what they do. A very good way of sizing up a trader is how they manage while the rest of the world is losing money. As you can see here in March 2020, the Canadian Profit Taker made more than any other month. A financial crash does not mean the same to a trader as it does to the rest of the world. It is opportunity, provides movement and value. Now below the chart, you can see the stats, description of the strategy, and also a little about the trader. We have traders from all over the world in order to get the best. What I would recommend at this point is to take some time out and browse all of the strategies that catch your eye. If I go back to the main page, here, you'll see a list of the traders again. Here is one of our most reliable traders, the Adaptive Asset Allocation. As you can see, the results speak for themselves. Why try and trade yourself when for just £150 a month you can copy traders like this and sit back? Look, again, March 2020, a 22.3% return. So once you've chosen a trader to follow, it's incredibly easy to get started. Providing you have an account with us, all you need to do is click here and subscribe. At this point, you will be taken through to the payment process. Once that's sorted, you are only one click away from trading like a professional with 20 years experience. You may now wish to diversify your portfolio. It might be that you want to have a look at some FX strategies on display. Take your time. Look at the strategies and allocate accordingly. This is the world's first online hedge fund, and our traders aren't all in one place, they are global, and so are we. Thank you for listening. Please enjoy the platform, and we are certain you won't be disappointed with the results.